Hey there, welcome to Pens and Concepts, where learning meets simplicity. This is episode 3 of the respiration series, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. In this episode, we'll be talking about three things: transport of carbon dioxide, regulation of respiration, and respiratory disorders. Unlike oxygen, carbon dioxide travels in several ways. 7% of it dissolved in plasma, which is directly carried in blood, 20 to 25% as carbaminohemoglobin, where CO2 loosely binds with hemoglobin, 70% as bicarbonates, where CO2 reacts with water in RBCs catalyzed by carbonic anhydrase, forming carbonic acid, which then splits into bicarbonate ions. These ions move in plasma and form the major transport route. This system not only carries CO2 back to lungs but also plays a key role in maintaining blood pH balance. Now let's discuss about the regulation of respiration. Breathing is an automatic process finely tuned by our nervous system and chemical sensors. Medullary respiratory center in medulla oblongata generates the basic rhythm of inspiration and expiration. Pneumotaxic center in the pons region prevents lungs from overinflating by controlling duration of inspiration. Chemosensitive area, also in the medulla region, detects rising of CO2 and H plus concentrations, which are the main triggers for breathing rate. Peripheral chemoreceptors, like carotid and otic bodies, are sensitive to low oxygen levels in blood and act as backup regulators. This coordinated system ensures that our breathing automatically adjusts during sleep, exercise, or stress. Now let's talk about respiratory disorders, which reveal its importance when the system falters. Asthma, which is narrowing of bronchioles due to inflammation and hypersensitivity, which is difficulty in breathing. Emphysema, which is permanent damage to alveoli, reducing surface area for gas exchange, commonly linked to smoking. Bronchitis, which is inflammation of bronchi with excess mucus and persistent cough. And occupational disorders like silicosis and asbestosis, which is long term exposure to dust, which damage the lungs and reduce efficiency. That's it for the last episode of the respiration series. Please do like, share, and subscribe me on YouTube and follow me on Instagram at Pens and Concepts.